welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I have tons of laundry to do. I am hoping that I could be that friend that gets you motivated to either do your laundry alongside with me, or at least if you're on the other side of the screen, just relaxing with your cup of coffee and grabbing and absorbing all the motivation that you can until you re-energize and tackle your laundry later on. In today's video, I am going to be doing my clothing as well as my youngest son clothing, a total of about 4 loads. Also, as you can see, I am refilling all my laundry detergent jars to make sure they're ready to go for the week. The powder detergents that you see me refill, I buy them in bulk at Sam's Club. Now, you may wonder, why do I use vinegar? Some people use vinegar instead of softener. I use the softener and vinegar because vinegar neutralizes the odors, but it also disinfects. So that's why I use vinegar. However, I must say that a viewer left me a comment questioning me, why do I use the softener plus the vinegar? And she got me thinking. And to be honest with you, I am taking her advice. And once I run out of this fabric softener, I am going to try not to buy softener again and just use the vinegar. Because if I really want something to have a nice scent, for example, the sheets and the towels, I also have the beads. So how much stuff really do we need to do laundry, right? I think sometimes we overbuy products for absolutely no reason when one product can do multiple things. So I am going to give it a try, but for now, I'm going to keep using this blue fabric softener and adding vinegar depending on what I'm washing.
Come a little closer, I want to dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
loves shopping with coupons, and every time she shops for extra stuff, she brings it to me. And, it's her hobby. And I'm like, fine. I really don't need more detergent because I like buying the bulk from Sam's Club. It costs less money and it lasts so much longer. Plus, actually, the laundry powder detergent that I buy from Sam's Club, the professional laundromats wash their clothing with that here in New Jersey. For example, the laundromat services, I'm not sure if they have that where you are viewing. And also, I use that laundry powder detergent to clean around my home. For example, the floors and other stuff like the walls and the baseboards. So that laundry powder goes a long way. Here are the bits that I'm telling you that because I have this handy, once I run out of the fabric softener, again, I'm going to give the vinegar a try. And whenever I feel like I need extra scent on the towels and the sheet, I will use just the bits. I finally took down the tree in my home and I washed all the blankets and I am actually packing them away as I speak because I have so many Christmas boxes to put away in my garage from the decorations and towels and sheets that I like to have. I really go out decorating for Christmas. It's the only holiday that I really go all out. So I have about 10 boxes in between all the linens and the decoration, but I'm getting there one thing at a time, one step at a time, one day at a time. As working moms, we need to do our best, and sometimes our best it's just in little pieces, and that's how I've been doing it. I feel like, yes, it's already January 12th, but at least it's not March when I'm putting away all the Christmas decorations. Depending on my day, I usually fold right outside the dryer, or at the end, you are going to see me that I'll take the clothes upstairs or to my room to fold it. So, how do you fold your clothes? Do you try to fold it right away? Sometimes I just leave it in the dryer until the next day, and that's just reality, true story. It's washed, it's dry inside of the dryer. I get it the next day. And if it's not the next day, maybe the following day. But eventually I get it. It's not left in the washer getting rotten, or which is okay. Look, if you have ADHD, I have ADHD. And you know what? Just fine. You leave it in the washer. So what? Wash it again, right? We have to be forgiving to ourselves and extend the same grace we give to others to ourselves.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know.
Friend, I hope that I was able to motivate you and encourage you to at least do one laundry or one folding load with me. I hope to be able to see you next Thursday here in my home, in my laundry room, folding and doing it all over again together. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And until next time, have a wonderful and blessed week. See you next week. Bye.
Down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.